Hello, this is a tutorial for FSG Mod Assistant setup to get onto the SP logging Farming Simulator 25 server I've got set up. So you download FSG Mod Assistant, you'll get this setup wizard here. And so step one, I haven't done anything with step one. Language I have set up for English. Step two, you want to make sure you have FS25 enabled. And then, yeah, we can deal with that later. Sometimes it sets itself up, sometimes it doesn't. For step two, step three, pre-existing collections, don't care about. Step four, we're not playing any older Farming Simulator versions. Step five, I don't do anything with, so you just simply exit out of this window. This window you won't get on the initial download, so you wouldn't even have seen that. So a lot of times you'll have FS22, the blue 22 up in this top left corner. Click on that, see if you have the FS25. If not, then we'll have to go through the setup over here where you hit the gearbox in the top right, go to game details, FS25. Now this is your game setting XML file. You can find this in the same folder that your mods folder is in. So don't look in your mods folder, look in the folder that your mods folder is in. So I got that shortcut. So right here, this PC documents my games Farming Simulator 2025. Scroll to the bottom, it's one of these blue swirly icons, game settings, bam. So how you do that in here is you'd click this folder button. Let's see, mine's on my desktop, so I'll go to my shortcut for it, and bam, here I am. Down here, game settings, okay, open, bam, there your XML file is set up. So for this game path, so I got mine through Steam, so it's D Steam library, Steam apps, common Farming Simulator 25. And then it's going to be like the launch icon. So this might take me a minute because I don't really know this PC, D, Steam library, Steam apps, common, Farming Simulator 25, and then it's going to be this green 25 icon. So that's like the icon you'd hit on your desktop to open up the program. Bam, there you go. And then, okay. So now you're probably gonna have to go back up here. You probably got a blue 22 if you've made it to this point. So you're gonna want to switch. I don't have the 22 because I disabled it, but you're gonna want to click this guy and switch it over to Farming Simulator 2025, and then you're gonna go to Add Folder. So this is back where your mods are stored. So I got mine on the desktop. Shortcut. Okay, so you have your original mods folder. I suggest you don't do anything with that. Create new folder. And I'm just going to delete that because I already have my folder. But you're going to want to give the new folder the name mods space s space p space logging. Then you're going to select that folder. I'm going to hit cancel because I'm already set up. So right here is my mods folder specifically for the mining and logging server I have running. So to set that up so you can do one-click updates for when we update the mods, you want to go here, edit folder details, right here in the same line as the files. Icon color, do whatever you want, whatever color you want this folder to be. I skip collections, descriptions, skip notes. All these 4 boxes are red for me. Make sure your game version is 2025. I'm American, so I have all these clicked for American game units. Player name, whatever you want your display name to be when you enter the server, enter it in this box. Server name, S space P space logging. FSG bot server ID, disregard. Server password is 1235. Server website, I will have that, I'll blow that up right now in case. Let's see if I can do this. I don't know how to do that. Or do I? Can I? Okay, there. That should be nice and big for you. Oh, this is a paint file, huh? So that should be big if you want to enter that manually. Just pause the video and enter that into that slot, or I'll have it in the video description. And then make sure you click allow direct mod download from this server. This box here you want checked. Server, okay, that's the admin password. None of your business. And then after you hit escape on that window, there's not really any save buttons when we're going through this process. You just exit out of whatever window you're in. And then that'll give you this handy dandy button here, download and replace all mods from the server. So this is a one-click thing. Once this is all set up, if we change mods, you just click this button and it will completely update that mods folder for the server. Now, after you got that all set up, your mods are downloaded, make sure you right click on whatever folder you want to load up with, and you should have a check mark appear at the bottom right hand of the file icon. If you don't, if sometimes this gets a little glitchy, if that check mark doesn't show up, simply close out the FSG Mods Assistant program, load it back up, and sometimes that fixes it. Alright, so you've done all that, you got your check mark box right there. Go up to launch game, hit launch game, everything should be set up. Okay, I guess that's it.